So number 12, same objective as numbers 10 and 11. Factoring the numerator is going to help us reach the objective. Factoring both numerators, both denominators, help us reach the objective. We can factor out an x cubed from the first numerator, and we are left with x squared plus 1. The denominator, we have a 3x that we can factor out, which leaves us with x minus 3. And then, again, I'm going to state the restrictions down here. The restrictions are if x can't be 0, x can't be 3. And then factoring that's going to be a 2 times x minus 3. So we already stated that x cannot equal 3, so that takes care of that factor as well. But when you see a division symbol, it means to invert and multiply. So we're going to invert the second fraction. We already factored that 2x minus 6. So we're going to leave that 2 times x minus 3 factored there. And then we move the x from the top to the bottom. If that x is equal to 0, then it causes that denominator to be 0. But we already said that x is not allowed to be 0. So we've already stated the restrictions on the variables. So now we just go ahead and cancel any like factors. The x minus 3's cancel. And I have an x here and an x here. So really what I have up here with x cubed is I have an x times x times x. So that 1x cancels with that 1x. This other x here cancels with that x. And we're still left with an x up on top. And there's nothing else that can cancel. So what's left on top, we usually write the numbers first, the coefficients. So we have a 2 and an x, and then this x squared plus 1. And then down below, we just have a 3, and that's it, with the restrictions listed already.